A little over a year now since Hurricane Helene devastated parts of western North Carolina. Tourism dipped in the months after, but now it seems like it's finally making a comeback. CBS News correspondent Wendy Gillette joining us live now from New York. Wendy, good to see you. You just visited Asheville. How did it go? What'd you see?
I did, Ken. Well, there is no shortage of crowds visiting holiday attractions in Asheville just before Christmas. It was very crowded. Elsewhere, the recovery is well underway. There are still buildings in some areas that stand empty, but other businesses have reopened as the city moves forward.
This Christmas feels merrier, creating ornaments and other art at North Carolina Glass Center in Asheville, where the French Broad River is gently flowing. It's a stark contrast to late September 2024.
Oh my gosh, that is a storm.
When Hurricane Helene brought catastrophic flooding, killing more than 100 and damaging or destroying thousands of homes and buildings. The storm left much of the city's vibrant River Arts District in ruins.
We closed. We were closed right after the storm, and then we worked as hard as we could to get back up and running.
They tell a beautiful story.
Leslie Rowland opened a new gallery when hers flooded, offering space to other female artists in the same situation.
We were all covered in mud. We were filthy. We were just trying to salvage anything that we had left. It was like an apocalypse.
The rebuilding is a work in progress.
We've come so far, and there's yet still so much to do.
A few miles away in Biltmore Village, the corner kitchen is decked out for the season, worlds away from its post-storm condition.
The water where I'm standing was about 6 feet over my head. It was into the ceiling of the first floor of the restaurant.
The local favorite, serving Southern and American fare, reopened in August.
I think I've hugged more people there than I did at my wedding.
The holidays are a popular time in Asheville. The Omni Grove Park Inn and Spa hosts the National Gingerbread House competition, but had to cancel it last year because of the hurricane's impact.
It was really important to us to bring it back bigger and better than ever. We missed it so much last year.
Occupancy is back up at the resort where we stayed for a special rate, also known for its 43,000 square foot subterranean spa. At the Biltmore, the country's largest privately owned home, opened by George Vanderbilt in 1895, guests touring its opulence this holiday season are once again expected to hit 300,000.
We're really feeling hopeful and optimistic, and we feel like our entire community has made the turn.
A turn to brighter times ahead.
Explore Asheville says hotel occupancy in October rose to 77%, down slightly from 81% 2 years earlier before the storm hit. Ken?
Yeah, they're seeing a big difference. Wendy, I'm wondering if you had any other impressions while you were there in Asheville.
Well, as I mentioned, it was quite crowded, but I was also really struck by the restaurant scene. I had heard it was good before I went there, but the meals at restaurants like Luminosa, Corner Kitchen, and Posana were really, really good. Asheville has more Michelin-recommended restaurants than any other city in North Carolina. So for a pretty small place, it has a big restaurant scene.
Wendy Gillette from New York, who's got arguably one of the best jobs in the world.